G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. Today we're just going to be doing a vlog update for the studio. We're going to be brightening it up with some RGB LED strips. So this is a 5-meter strip that we ordered off eBay. It's RGB as I mentioned, and it comes with a remote control to turn it on and off. And you simply power up the LEDs with a USB cable. So this is going to plug into the USB port under the desk, and what we're going to do is actually mount it to the outside of the desk to try and bring some light to the space, also some under desk lighting as well, so that way when I'm live streaming or maybe occasionally recording some videos in here, it just looks a little bit more interesting and hopefully makes the space a little bit more vibrant. So if you like this video, chuck it a like. If you didn't like this video, give it a dislike and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. I'm going to get stuck into the installation with my assistant Alexandra, who's behind the camera, and we'll come back to you guys in hopefully about 5 or 10 minutes once this is all done, and I'll show you how it looks. So thanks for watching, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so that's it, all done. The LED strip was so simple to install. Just simply plugged it into the USB port on the USB hub that I've got under the desk. We have this really simple remote control to change the color, so if I was to go ahead and press purple for example, or maybe press orange, you can see it really changes the whole feel of this room. Hopefully it will be good for when I decide to do some more videos in this space, looks better on the live stream. But let me know what you think. Maybe go to the start of the video and see what it looks like before. Now come back and see what it looks like now. This strip was only about $25. I'll leave a link to where to buy that down below. I got it from eBay in Australia, so it took about a week to arrive. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.